Hi guys, welcome back to Viology. Today I am going to reveal to you the biggest mistakes you can make when you are buying decor for your new home or existing home. So if you'd like to know the big mistakes, stay tuned. Welcome to Viology. Okay guys, I have 5 things that you must watch out when you are designing your home. I have my notes, so I will be looking down a little bit on this one. So guys, what is the very first thing? It is people often choose the wrong size rug for the area that they are doing. The wrong size or sometimes the wrong pattern. So guys, I'm watching my notes. The living room, the rug should be wider than the width of your furniture so that it serves as a base to your furniture. So in your bedroom, your rug should be perpendicular of your bed. So did you know that? So, a bed should hit all the T's, which I'm in my bedroom because I'm in my office in my bedroom. It doesn't hit all the T's, but I will say my rug is big enough. It is not smaller than my bedroom, and my bed, I think my rug is either 11 by something or 8 by 10. So, yeah, I think I have the right size rug. It's not covering all the T's, but it is, I think it's pretty big. It's pretty big. So guys, what is the next one? Buying furniture that match too well and result of a flat look. Well, I'm not guilty of that. All my pieces in my bedroom came from different places. My bed came from one furniture store. My nightstands came from Lowe's department store. My dresser, which you can see some part right up in here, I actually got off Facebook Marketplace. My fireplace came off Facebook Marketplace. What else I have? My chairs, I recovered them. They came from Facebook Marketplace, but they were zebra print. I recovered them. My bench, boom, right here. It is a piano bench. Who would have guessed? I paid $5 for it from Goodwill. I recovered into that fluffiness right there. And I have one table that is back over there, and it is cherry wood. So guys, I don't have matchy. Going to the furniture store to have your headboard and your nightstands, all of that stuff is matchy. That is, like, to me, the most boring bedroom ever. You don't want your items to be matchy. That's like the 80s, the 70s, when you had all the brown wood, all the cherry wood. No, we don't do that anymore. So having your furniture all matchy, get rid of that mismatch. It makes your room make a statement. So the next thing is, guys, open shelving. Open shelving will show all of your declutterness, your clutterness. I only have one place that's in my home that is open shelving. I'm not guilty of it because it is my husband's area. And he has all his fire department books, his police books. It is some of everything, but it's open shelving, but it is in our private closet, so no one else see it but him and me. So guys, that is one area I really want to declutter, is my husband's stuff, but it really do need to be decluttered because I hate it to a true passion. So guys, decluttering, have an open shelf, declutter it and make it nice and neat. get a door. Put a door on. No one else will see it. No one else belongs in it. So covered up that open shelving. So let's go to the next one. The next one, guys, is often a room, whether it's your bedroom, your living room, your dining room, does not have enough lighting. So therefore, if your lighting above is not enough, make sure you have lamps, because that will bring in the amount. You want to make sure that you have enough of light that's bouncing off all four walls of your room. That is very important. If the one above, if you don't want to put lamps in the area, use daylight light bulbs. Did you know that? That gives you even more light. So using daylight bulbs brightens up, it will brighten you up real bright. So if you don't want to do that, you want to use the traditional bulbs, yes, you need lights, because you should have all four walls bouncing with light. So guys, lights, you need enough of those. So the last and final one, guys, I am not guilty of this because every room of mine is definitely done with this. Having a room that is totally bland with no decorations. That is a no-no, and that is something that you need to correct. So therefore, if you have a bedroom, you have no curtains, nothing on the walls, no decor, that's a boring, bland room. So you don't want to do that. I mean, you're not living in a prison cell, and some of those in prison got posters. So guys, get some decor. You can find it so absolutely inexpensive. Put some decor on your walls to make your wall and room complete. So guys, let's do a run through of the items, and we're gonna get out of here. So guys, your number one is your rug. Make sure your rug is big enough for your space. Make sure you don't have an itty bitty small rug for an absolutely big area. So that is number one. Number two, guys, is having matchy furniture in your bedroom. Get rid of all of that matchy furniture, because that's the 80s, honey. We're in the 2000s. It's 2020, almost 2021. It's coming, okay? So guys, stop with the matchy furniture. Get some furniture that does not match it. It'll make a statement in your room. Number three, guys, decluttering with open space. Declutter the area. All that open space and all that clutter, nobody wants to see that. You clean it, declutter it, put a door on it. It'll make you feel better when you open up and you're like, oh, yes, this is my space. So guys, what is number four? It is making sure you have enough of lighting in the area. Like me right now, the sun is going down because I was using daylight and one lamp. So now, yes, I need some more light. So I'm a hurry in this video. So having enough light is a yes. You must have enough of light. And the number five, guys, the last and the least, put some accessories, some decor in your space, because a bland room is a boring room. So guys, this is Vology Vondessa. I'm getting out of here. But don't forget, if you're new here, hello, welcome to my home. If you're oldie but a goodie, hi. And guys, don't forget, please like, comment, share, thumbs up my video, guys. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And you know what I always say, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, keep it right in your space. Bye.